Hi guys, just going to go through the extension maths for those of you that attempted it today. So we've got a pattern here that repeats every 6 symbols and starts shown below. What are the hundredth and 101st? Now obviously I'm not going to draw all these out, that would take me forever. So we need a way to do this. I know that they go up in sixes, right? So 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the pattern that then repeats. So I need to jump up to a number near this that's a multiple of 6. I know that 90 is a multiple of 6 because it's 60 at 30, both of which are multiples of 6, so therefore this is going to be 15 of those. I can then go on another 6 to 96, so this here essentially becomes 96. Then we've got 97, 98, 99, which means we've got 100 and 101. So the surface. So I've just color coded this for you to make it a bit easier when I talk about these. Now, surface area isn't something you really see much of in Key Stage 2. It just means all of the faces of the outside of a 3D shape added together. Okay. So the way I would approach this is you could either think about how many you can see or think about how many you can't. So in terms of how many are exposed on this pink one, for example, just here we've got 1, 2, 3. You'd have the one at the back like that, 4, and then you'd have the one at the side here, 5. Okay. This green one and the yellow one are in exactly the same position as the pink one is. Sorry. So you've got 1, 2, the one at the back, 3, 1 here, 4, 1 at the side, or 1 underneath, 5. That's 5, which means the yellow is also 5. So it's really only this red one that we've got. So think about, you can see this one, you can see this one, and then you'd also rotate the shape, you have to see the base. So that's 3. And should have went up to 18. Next one. Don't be late. So this was the trickiest of them all, I would imagine. So Mary drove to Birmingham Airport at 45 miles an hour. That's going to be important for the first 2 hours. And then at 70 miles per hour, the remainder of the journey, whoever's typed this. So her average speed for the entire journey was 60 miles an hour. So that means if you added up the slow parts and the quick parts and evened it all out, she would have been traveling at 60 the whole way. So the way in which we need to approach this is we know that in theory she's traveling a certain amount of miles at 60 miles an hour. Now 60, like this, if we look at it as compared to what 45 is, then it would be 45, and then you'd have 15. So what she's basically doing is she's driven 2 45s, but in order for it to get back up to this average of 60, she needs to make up another 15 mile an hour for this hour and another 15 for this. So at the moment, she's actually 30 minutes behind her average speed. Then we need to look at what this 70 miles an hour actually looks like comparative to 60. This would look like 70 would look like 60, but then plus 10. So in order to even out this minus 30 here, I'm going to need one, I'm going to need another one, so she's actually gained another 10 here, and then another one driving at 70 miles an hour to even that out, because here she's actually gained 30. So when this plus 30 is evened out with this minus 30, she would have driven, sorry, but would have driven me 1,